Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue USB tethering not working. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to your board, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Then go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. So these are a list of developer options. Go down. Let me find networking section. See, under networking select USB configuration. Here you can see 5 options. Here we need to select USB Ethernet. Enable it. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. Just enable USB Ethernet. If you want to turn off, you can select another option from the list. Done. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.